Before we get started, you are going to need these 6 things: a working smoke alarm, 2 screws that also come with plasterboard anchors, a screwdriver, a cordless drill, a pencil, and a stepladder, which is long enough to easily reach the ceiling. You may also need a hammer. The first step of installation is to determine the best place for the smoke alarm. Ideally, you should have an alarm in every bedroom, living area and hallway in your home. This gives you and your family notice of a fire so you can get out safely. Smoke rises and moves along the ceiling, so placing the alarm on the ceiling is best. If you are unable to place it on the ceiling, you can install it on a wall. Make sure the smoke alarm is at least 30 centimetres from the wall or ceiling corners, as small air pockets can form and slow down the detector's ability to work properly. Keep them the same distance away from any light fittings and install them well away from fireplaces or extractor fans. Don't install a smoke alarm in the kitchen, bathroom or garage, as these areas may cause false alarms. If you can only afford one smoke alarm, install it in the hallway or the areas closest to the bedrooms, and start planning to get some more. If you live in a 2-storey home, you must install a smoke alarm on each floor. For this example, we will be installing the smoke alarm onto a standard plasterboard ceiling. If the surface that you need to install your smoke alarm onto is different from this, please visit your local hardware store for further advice. Once you have figured out the best location, use the base plate of the smoke alarm and the pencil to mark the screw holes on the surface you will be installing. Then drill into the surface where you have marked. Next, insert the plasterboard anchors and gently tap in with the hammer if required. With your screwdriver, screw in the base plate. With the base plate secure, you can now attach the smoke alarm. Once the smoke alarm is in place, make sure to test it. Not every smoke alarm or base plate is the same, so remember to read the details on the packaging. If you are unsure about what type of smoke alarm you have or need to purchase, watch the video on how smoke alarms work. And remember, if you have any questions or issues, contact your local fire station or visit our website.